Mom.
sweetie.
Merry Christmas, Mom.
Let me get my glasses off. What is this? This is a puppy. I gotta get over here and take a look. Oh my goodness.
Yep.
Oh my goodness.
Look at the bow.
Oh, that boy is big.
Take it. Smile at me.
How fine.
Chihuahua Dotson.
Oh. We got a boy or a girl?
It's a boy.
He's had a long day, so he's tired.
Yeah, he's tired.
Hi, guys.
Oh. Does he have a name?
Kinda.
What?
Chalupa Batman.
Chalupa Batman, that's gonna have to change.
Matt kind of named him.
Oh,
Merry Christmas, Mom.
thank you. You're a sneak. I love you too.